What's up everyone, Dustin Jones here for Rocky Ridge. Let's get a quick rundown of the all-new Rocky Ridge K2 Special Edition Chevy Silverados. The K2 comes with a full BDS 6-inch suspension lift. You can get red, blue, Rocky Ridge orange, and then my personal favorite, the Sublime Green. The K2 has 2.5 Fox Performance Elite coilovers in the front, and out in the rear they have the Performance Elite remote reservoirs. And the biggest difference that you're going to notice when you look at the front of this truck is this all-new custom Rocky Ridge front bumper. Hidden under there is a 10,000-pound winch. Now, Rocky Ridge also went all out on the inside because now you get the all-new perforated leather seating package. And with these new K2 Special Edition trucks, you get 3 color options. You get white, black, and silver metallic. Now that I've given you the full rundown, I think it's time for me to run out of here. So I just need to figure out which one of these is mine.